The group Twame, twiyeza no gufasha, through its cooperative tubeho neza no gufashanya, granted on Saturday 27th May 2023 assistance to vulnerable people living on RUTANA Hill, precisely in RUTANA province. In his opening remarks, the leader of the hill proceeded the activities with a Bible verse found in the book of Proverbs, chapter 14, verse 31, as it is written, "He who oppresses the poor shows contempt for his maker, but he who is kind to the needy honors him." The representative of Twame, twiyeza no gufasha group, Prosper Niyomomai, said that this assistance includes rice, salt, lawn cloths, and soaps, was intended for the most vulnerable people. This charitable gesture is part of the Good Samaritan, as he indicates. The chief of the hill, Silver Heshiman, warmly thanked the members of Twame, twiyeza no gufasha group and took the opportunity to call on the other associations to help vulnerable people. We, the leaders of the hill, are delighted and deeply thank the Twame, twiyeza no gufasha group following the commendable activities that it has just exhibited by granting assistance to the 89 vulnerable people on our hill. Other associations should approach vulnerable people. My name is Rayan Hokubwayo, a native of RUTANA Kamian in RUTANA province. We express our sincere gratitude to this group for providing assistance to us, the vulnerable. May God be ahead of you. May God bless you. We greatly appreciate it. God bless you abundantly. We thank you so much. Here you have come to help us. Thanks a lot. You have clothed us, fed us, even the soaps are there. We thank you. Welcome once again.